Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss matter around us. In this part we are going to discuss about compressibility, diffusion, sublimation. Particles of matter attract each other. So the first topic is compressibility. Compressibility is the measure of how much a given volume changes instantaneously when placed under pressure. In better words, you can understand that it is defined as a measure of the relative volume change of a fluid or solid as a response to a pressure change. Thus, if the pressure is increased, then the volume decreases considerably. See in the picture, you can understand that when you apply a force on a closed container, so whatever the gas particles will be there, that will be compressed. Okay, so the volume will be decreased. Next is diffusion. Diffusion is nothing but the movement of air, water vapor, or of scent and smoke from one place to another place is known as diffusion. Some example of diffusion is, suppose you open a bottle of scent in any room, it will be smell throughout the room. Why? Because the molecule, the particles which is there in the bottle, it will be spread whole into the room. So that's why you're able to smell it. The next is sublimation. Sublimation is nothing but a process of converting directly solid into gas. For example, ice converted into solid. Dry as in as example of sublimation. It will directly convert its form of solid into gas. So if we are going to the process of ice, liquid, and then gas, it is a desublimation. So few example of sublimations are dry as camphor, iodine, snow, naphthalene balls, carbon dioxide in fire extinguisher, and the perfume bottle, as we already discussed. Let us see how small are the particles of matter. The particles of matter are very, very small. Suppose, for example, if you can take an example of a chalk. So in that chalk, it is made up of thousands of particles or millions of particles. You don't know, because the particles of matter are very, very small to such an extent that it can't be seen through our naked eye. Okay, so the particles are very small. Even a drop of water will have a millions of particles in it. Next is particle of matter attract each other. So here, particle of matter attract each other in that the magnitude of the force of attraction varies from matter to matter. So that is, it depends on the nature of the matter, whether it is a solid or a liquid or a gas. For example, when you break a chalk, it is easier than breaking a nail. So it means that the attraction varies from particle to particle, okay, to attract each other. So the particles of matter attract towards each other by intermolecular force. We call it as an intermolecular force of attraction. So it varies. It exists in different forms in the three states of matter. So in solid, it is maximum. That's why we are not able to break a solid. See, this is like if we take any phenolphthalein solution, if we are dropping a phenolphthalein solution in a like container of water. In that, when we dropping the phenolphthalein solution, it will be in pink color. So all the water is becoming pink. Why? Because the phenolphthalein is mixing completely with water. So the molecules of phenolphthalein is attracting the molecules of water. So like this, the particles will attract each other. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.